In this quick tutorial, we will see how to clear the cache in Windows 10. So without further ado, let's get started. Open Run by pressing Windows plus R. Type %temp, followed by %. This will open the temporary folder. Delete all the files inside it. Once done, open Run again, type temp without the % symbols. This will open the system temp folder. Delete all the files without fear, since they are just temporary files. Now, open File Explorer by pressing Windows plus E, right-click on your C drive, Properties, Disk Cleanup. Click Clean System File. Now select all the checkboxes and wait for it to complete. That's it for now. We'll meet you all in the next Rapid Tech Tutorials.